Houston, this is not a drill. A severe storm warning has just been issued, and winds of over 60 miles per hour are already hammering Montgomery, Harris, and Liberty counties. Roofs are being torn apart, siding ripped off homes, and trees are coming down. If you hear things hitting your house, you're already at risk. Seeing water leak in, shingles missing? Don't wait until the damage gets worse. Call FSR Services now at 281-852-9555. Our emergency team is on standby with roof inspections, emergency tarping, and insurance help. Protect your home or business before it's too late. We've got Houston covered, literally. Hit subscribe for real-time weather alerts and storm safety tips. Stay safe, Houston.